This video shows the steps to change the preset date and time in the FreeStyle Lite blood glucose meter. With the meter turned off, press and firmly hold the M button until the set display screen appears. With the 0 blinking, it's the reminder alarm setting mode. You can skip this by pressing the M button. Next is sound setting mode, which can also be skipped by pressing the M button. The next mode is for time. With the hour blinking, press the C button until the correct hour appears. Press the M button to confirm and move to minute setting. With the minute blinking, press the C button until the correct minute appears, then press the M button to move to setting the time format. With the hour mode blinking, press the C button to move between 12-hour and 24-hour format. Press the M button to confirm and move to setting the date. With the month blinking, press the C button until the correct month appears and press M button to confirm. In similar way, set the day and year. Once all the desired setting are made, to exit, press and hold the M button. This is how you can change the time and date on the FreeStyle Lite blood glucose meter. Thanks for watching.